In this video we want to model a claw hammer in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoy it. In this video we want to model a claw hammer in SolidWorks. For doing this we go to part and sketch and select line and draw simple lines like this. And we extrude it. Like this. Then we go to front plane. We need it here, so exit the sketch and go into plane. And select top plane. Maybe 32mm. That's good. Or 33. Select this face and sketch on it. So we go to features and select revolve boss base. On this axis of revolution we make this. Hide the plane. I think we should have a bigger neck on here, so go to revolve and select the sketch and edit the sketch. I think I should complete this, so trim this line and exit. And that's beautiful. For continuing this, we go to hammer handle and on this plane we need another plane like that. And for freeze reference we select front plane, and for middle plane we select 25mm and click OK. So we select a sketch on this plane and we go to line and select this line like this and like that. And a simple line from here to here, and remove extra lines and keep it closed, and select revolve boss base and select your axis, and easily the handle will be made. I think I edit this. Like this, and the hammer handle is made. So we go to appearance and add appearance. I think we select material on here. I think the boots are a good option for metals or a stone. Simply go to material and select boots. Now we have a golden hammer like this. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.